All right, good morning, team. Welcome to Blue Sky Live's day trading stream. Today is November 13th, 2025. Apologize for that. Please remember that all information included in this stream is not financial advice. Please use your own better judgment and due diligence in researching any trade decisions you make. Understand that taking a risk in the market means you could lose money, and you most likely will. So always use your better judgment. Do not follow other people's trade advice and trade your own plan. Our disclosures are all listed on the Blue Sky website, so please be sure to check those out. Link is in the chat below. I'm going to go ahead and copy that for you folks. So if you guys want to read the risk disclosure, please be aware that that is out there in the interwebs, and please read that and do your due diligence. Thanks again, team. Don't even ask, RQ. You ask that, you might just get sent home. Wait a minute, you already are home, so you're like halfway. You're more than halfway home. All right, let me pull up my NQ levels. I actually added ES levels, so if you guys are interested in my ES levels, you can now find those inside the Discord channel. So I do keep those posted. Let's see there. There is our NQ news for the morning or levels. Take profit level at 25,921. Breakout level at 25,811. Sell the reversal at 25,717. Got a buy the reversal at 25,529. A breakdown level of 25,436 and a profit on that breakdown at 25,326. Market is open, team. Good luck today. Let me bring up the gold level for us real quick. Gold levels for the day, I've got to take profit of 4,313, a breakout level of 4,276, sell the reversal at 4,245, buy the reversal at 4,182, and a breakdown level of 4,150 with a take profit of 4,114. Overnight session was pretty interesting. Once the market caught wind that the government shutdown was over, the market proceeded to rip to the upside. Unfortunately, at the London, we decided to pivot from that point and have progressively sold off into the morning session. And it looks like the bleeding is still going on. Looks like a case of buy the rumor, sell the news. And the news being that the government has been reopened. We will not be receiving CPI numbers today, so I'm hearing mixed signals on it. I'm hearing delays, but I also did hear that we wouldn't get those numbers this month. So please be aware of that. Keep your trade safe. Let's see what happens. Gold on the overnight session proceeded to rip up into the overnight. Seems at the open in the pre-market we began to Yes, you should be able to see my screen share. According to what I see here in the Discord on my side, I do see it. So that's what it looks like for me. And I'll drop a screenshot of that so you can see what I see. So it appears that you can see mine. So you should be able to see my stream up next to Steve's. So you might want to check, or if someone else can confirm. I can see screen share. You should see it on my camera, though. Yeah, I usually... Okay. Yeah, I share mine on the cam, so if any of the other coaches want to jump on, they're able to bring their screen up, and I don't have to end my stream to allow them to stream. So it's just a method that I kind of cheat on Discord, so that way I can allow more than one. You know what, Boba? If you're having a problem with it, what I would suggest is to jump out and then come back in, and you should be able to see it then. But it will come up as my camera, not as my screen share. Yeah. Yeah, we definitely have some bugs sometimes inside the inside the Discord. I even heard the same thing for, or I even saw the same thing for the Dow. The Dow was selling quite a bit. Dollar looks like it wants to dip. Keep winning. I'm on a hot streak. Don't know if I should quit early. Yeah, I picked up a new eval myself this morning. As a matter of fact, took a single trade already up. As a matter of fact, looks like my chart is a smidge too big. There we go. There we go. Sorry about that. Looking at the Dow. NQ still selling, trend for the downside, although it does look like it wants to kind of hold here. But I did mention my levels earlier that I was expecting a little bit more selling. Oh man. Congrats on that. Congrats, Ace. Just keep stacking that money, my friend. Hmm. Right down. Click the go live button. Hmm. Let's see if I can do this. The market is just bleeding through right now. NASDAQ is puking. Yeah, I see that. Okay, can't do that one. Let's add. Log out. It's looking like it. awesome. Quick scalp for this eval. Congrats on that, brother. Congrats on that.
Guess who forgot to reincarnate on time? It's Paul Remus.
So far, I haven't blown it up.
For your dream life to start? Are you stuck in the eternal loop?
We don't want you to blow it up. We don't want you to blow it up. Or live on TikTok. Right. Or Twitch.
The revolutionary life hack they don't want you to know about. With Now You don't have to wait for the stars to align, your chakras to open, or Mercury to stop retrograding. You can be who you want to be. Right? Flipping now. Just 4 easy payments of $9.99. That's right. Less than the price of a crystal that sits on your desk and does nothing. No shipping, no handling, no sense of linear time. Order now and we'll throw in a bonus. Instant access to the present moment. Absolutely free. But wait, if you call in the next 30 seconds...
It exploded already.
Because time is a lie, we'll double your order. That's right. You'll get 2 versions of you for the price of 1. So why wait? Stop becoming and start being. Call 1-800-NOW-YOU. That's 1-800-NOW.
Let's go look at metals.
Extra you for unlimited potential. Now you. Because the future is overrated. And honestly, kind of rude.
Ooh, nice to get a viewer over there. I'm gonna have to bring that chat in. Need Nacho funded. That's right, we do need Nacho funded. Okay, what do we need to do here? Gold selling. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. You're funny. You're right, man. Right, Omar. Catch me in my Discord. Sign up today. My mentorship, only $10,000 a month. I take barters, you know. Take barters for cars. Oh man, this thing still won't let me in. Gosh. I'm gonna have to wait. Send me a hello. Oh, this is going nasty now. Looks like some of my levels are holding up. Would you jump into, General? I'm sure you jumped into something already. I'm working on getting all my streams up. I got one stream left. And it's being a pain. Getting more sell signals here on the market. So how do I get... Let's go rid of tickers. Take a look at our tickers for the day. Oh, good morning, everybody. Get myself out of here for a minute. Let's get the tickers going. Looks like the market is trying to catch a bid here. Can we catch a bid here and start bouncing? That's the real question. Or we're going to continue to sell off. Let's take a look at the heat map and see how we're doing this morning. A lot of red across the board right now with the chip sector, Microsoft as well. Renko's looking like they're throwing a pivot for us. Can we catch that reversion? Got a nasty orb going on the market right now. Let's draw the... It's a pretty huge range right now on NQ. So if you're playing NQ, your orb low would be 25,287. Orb high would be 25,505 for NQ. Like I said, pretty huge range. Market catching a nice bid here. Does have to get over the EMAs though, so you know, had a nasty sell-off since the London, so not sure how long it's gonna take, if we can really break and get back to the upside and blast up. Can we get that volume to get that bounce? Can we get to 26? Don't forget, we don't have any numbers coming out. We just have Fed speakers for the day. Can we get some VWAP though? Here on NASDAQ, Or to the 26. I want to see us at least get to the 26. Oh, don't stop me out. Yeah, I ended up picking up some QQQs. So I'm in 618s. I picked them up for 72 cents. But we got to get over this. We need the upside. There we go. Volume's a little thin though on that buy. You can see it on the candle on NASDAQ. Come on. Send it. Come on, NASDAQ. Chips are moving. Let's go higher. I got into 618s. I picked them up for 72 cents. It is early though. And it doesn't look like it wants to go. Looks like we can get over the 9. Or it looks like it wants to pull back under the 9. Come on, get up there. Come on, let's go. Come on, Bulls. Send it. There we go. Come on, Bulls. Let's go. Get us to that orb high. Come on, go. Of course. Come on, Bulls. Oh, and there it goes, stopped out. Well, at least I stopped out in profit, so I didn't lose any money on the trade. Yeah, it's probably just too early to try to make that long. I guess I should just be grateful to stop and the money got taken. Not like before. The stop limits don't work. It's just got to be a hard stop. Okay, now what are we going to do? We're going to continue downward. Wow. Maybe. Ah, my tooth is killing me. Ah, looks like my toothache is back. Ah. Oh, did you pick up those cons, General? Those things would be well over $1. Look at that. Wow, they're at $1.20. They didn't even get to that valuable for me. Oh, man. I made a lousy $11 of profit. Oh, you got the 617s? Is that what you got? Man, you're gonna do good on that. What I'm gonna do now. That's it. That would have been the trade. This con's gonna go into money. Oh, you got the 620s. What a shame. I don't know what 381 is. Oh yeah, if we get 381, looks good. Yeah, I figured that. Man, those contracts are $1.22. For over 100% from my buy. Well, almost. What a shame. Well, let's see if we get that pullback. Maybe I can get into silver. Yeah, you should go. The market should go, although the volume is kind of dried up on that. It's a nasty indecision candle right there on the 3. It's not what you want to see. Just control your stop, man. Just be careful. Oh my God. Man, I would have made like $600 on that dang trade, man. Oh my God. Yeah, now those contracts are up 100%. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. What a waste of my time. God. Oh, congrats. Congrats on your 881. Congrats on your 881. I'm up a lousy $5 RQ. So I am up. Oh, good luck, bait fisherman, for the short. I don't think the short's gonna hold though, to be honest with you. Well, my contracts are at $1.65 now. Yeah, I don't see short side. Oh, God. Congrats, Ace. That's great. Great work on that. I mean, yeah. God, this could have been a good day for me. I really needed that. I don't know what I'm gonna do with $5. Nah, I usually do like coffee here at home just to save money, you know. Can't afford to be going out to Starbucks, man, wasting money on that. It's too expensive. You know, $5 coffee. Yeah, right. I wouldn't spend that on myself. Don't have that money to spend on myself. I wish I did. Wow, those contracts are almost at $2. Wow. God. I don't even have a car RQ. I sold all my cars, so I don't know what Hummer you would be talking about. I have to make money to be able to buy the Hummer, so I don't know what you would be talking about. No, I gotta be able to afford that, man. Gotta be able to afford that. I wish, man. I wish I could afford a car. It'd be nice. Well, I mean, I could afford a car, but I just, it just doesn't make sense for me to buy one right now. It's just, you know, it's not in my budget, and I don't need a car. I don't go anywhere, so why would I buy it right this second? Really can't. Got to focus on, you know, taking care of bills and stuff like that. More of a dream at this point. Yeah, anyway, if anything, I need more is I need to get some dental work done. I need a root canal. I've got a nasty cavity I've been dealing with like the last month or so, and I got to get that taken care of at some point. I can't just keep taking painkillers and stuff for it. Yeah, I'm just taking my time. I mean, the bad thing is we're over the EMAs. I do see it though. Get back into that low. This is that pullback before the move back down. 612s are $67. Do you think it would get back into 300 on NQ? I could see it. It is too early. Let's see. That's why I put my stop in the money. I just didn't trust it. Come on, push it down. Don't buy it up. Oh. Just got stopped down on those. It's crazy. Oh. Yeah, I was in that short on 612s and I got stopped down on like 6 cents profit on each con. Sorry, just dealing with this toothache. Oh, now you sound like Togi. Togi says that when he trades, he likes to trade when he's like pretty wasted. Man, look at those 612s are gonna rep now. They're at 85 cents for my 66-cent buy. I think it's a lot like fibs. People are watching it, so it trades. Yeah. Tip says it's crashing hard. Yeah, you're probably right. Trades are right. I should just take him. We're still in the orb though. I think we'll get that next leg down here on the market shortly. All right, let's take a look at Tesla. Ooh. Woke the uptrend that we were starting to make right here. like Tip said, probably is going to be more downside. And I wish I'd have held those puts a little longer. All right, they're sitting at 91 cents now. Nice, get it, be fisherman. Man, that would have been another beautiful trade right there. Careful of any algo screenshots, babe. Wow, those contracts now are up 97 cents. Oh, they're $1 now. Yeesh. Oh, wow. The contracts are $1 now. I'll probably go in the money too. Or we break below. What a shame. Wow. Well, those contracts would have been up 100% now. Nice. Good call on that, bait fisherman. I wish I would have had more guts to hold it, not put my stop so close. It's such a shame, man. At least I'm not red, so at least it's not like I'm trying to make up money on the day. Now I gotta look for the next op, either a pullback or maybe a rejection, and maybe we'll catch a bounce. Hard to say, but it looks like the market's going to continue just selling, like Tips has said. Yeah, for sure, bro. Dang. Dang. We're at the weekly open now. What are we going to do? Maybe get a little bit more of a pullback and then continue down, I would imagine. Oh. Yeah, that's good, man. The contracts are up $100.50 now. Oh. Hmm. I mean, we're right in the range, right? It would make sense that we go long here now. Hmm. Yeah, tell me about it, General. I wish I would have held those two trades and taken profit a little bit better on them. I mean, you know, I don't know. Still got time in the day. Let's see what happens. Yeah, there goes the market dumping. Those 612s are now up $1.80 from my 70 cent from my 66 cent purchase. An amazing move on those. I wish I actually had those. What a shame. At least I made $17 so far for the day. Not down. Not down. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't help. I don't feel great today. No, I'm feeling too hot. My head is killing me. And my face is hurting pretty bad. So I think those aspirin, though, should subside here in a minute. Oh, look at that. Blue Detective has caught itself a bonus. Congrats, Blue Detective. Hope you cash out big on that trade. Bonus. Wow, bleeding is going pretty bad on the market now. You know, I'm just grateful I haven't lost money. I'd probably feel worse. Now I'm getting short signals. Man, those contracts are now $2. Man, they're in the money. They're in the money. They're $2.18 now from a 66. So from $66 a contract, they're worth $209 a contract. Man, leverage contracts, I tell you, options. Man, I could have been up, what, 150? I've been up like $400 or $500 on that trade in my cash account. What a shame. Wow. Man, why did it have to get stopped out, man? I didn't take that long. I had zero confidence in the long. Since we've been selling off most of the most of the session now. And I always get, no, I shouldn't say always. I used to always get hosed on these trades here that, like I took the short and then I tried to take the long again. I just didn't want to do it this time. I just did not have the confidence in it. Like when it did that, I was like, nah. We are 18 minutes into London Power Hour now. And Tip says that there is no bounce in sight. My NQ target for downside got taken out. So if any of y'all were playing my levels off of NQ, y'all would have made some decent money. I wish I would have followed my plan a little bit better. Yeah, that's right. Tip got called second. Unfortunately, I didn't really get anything on that to provide to you guys. Otherwise, I would have sent it over. Well, I did get a graphic, but unfortunately, even though the high res graphic I requested, it's still pretty low res. So I couldn't even make out who those folks were. So I was hoping to add it to my template so that y'all could see it, but unfortunately the resolution is just super low on it, so I didn't even bother. And those puts are $2.17 a piece now. And that was my monster trade right there. Maybe. Although Tip says that we're not going to have no bounce. He says that the market's going to sell. Just continue selling with no bounce. Maybe. Sounds like we're not going to get the unemployment data Hassett is saying that. Yeah, I tipped. Mm. Congrats, Omar. Great trade there. Sorry, just kind of muted out here, just waiting for these painkillers to kick in. My head is just hurting pretty bad right now. Man, those 612s rip, man. They're sitting at 244 a contract. God, $249 a contract, and they only would have cost me 66 cents a contract. Would have been a beautiful profit. A little bit better. Took a few more ibuprofen and some Tylenol. So see if this helps with the headache and stuff. All right, let's take a look at gold and see if gold might be doing something for us today. It looks like gold actually might give us some upside push. Right, I've seen that as well. My stats have me Thursday. Yeah, it took like 6 Tylenol, 3 ibuprofen. It's just like a super. Yeah, I don't feel too good with it either. Ugh. That's the worst I've ever felt. Let's take a look at gold. 15 minutes left of London. Yeah. See how we do here. Gold contracts have a day out, so they're a little juiced. The only thing's cheap is the silver contracts. Those 48.50s, I had those yesterday, didn't I? Or I don't even remember what I had yesterday. Going to make a pot of spaghetti sauce and pass out in a food coma. Long 207 one last time. Yeah, it looks like the Qs are catching a bid here. Did you DCA in that position, General? What did I have earlier? I had 618 calls. They're at like 27 cents right now. There's a gangload of people in those. Ooh, man. I just don't. I don't want to take long. I don't want to take a long, man. It just. Yeah, the bad thing about it is you're trying to catch a reversal. Oh man, I hate this thing. Oh, Bitcoin bleeding now, pretty nasty. Scalping, yeah, scalping longs for sure. I don't think we'll get back above 280. I'm making another bear flag here on the market. Another bear flag. It's like Bitcoin is gonna dump. We're in the last 10 minutes of the London close. Let's see what the London does for us. Will they buy this or will they sell this? As a matter of fact, I just went short on Bitcoin. I'm short BITO right now. I'm short BITO at 1550. Those contracts were about 6 cents right now. Huh. It's about the right time for that bounce. Will it go though? And how far will it go to? It's like ES is going to attempt. Bitcoin continuing to sell. ES buyers look like they want to come in. As the NASDAQ not showing any relief though yet. I went in and picked up 615 calls. They were 66 cents. Yeah, selling needs to subside. Need some relief on the market. I mean, the Dixie, oh my God. Well, tell me about it, General. Come on, bulls, buy this. What a 4-hour support, man. Come on. Come on, bulls, hold that 4-hour. I got a 4-hour support at 25,193. So that's how I was kind of basing it off of time and place. But you can see here on the one, I mean, we're battling with the EMAs. They haven't rolled. They're close to rolling over, but we need that relief to start kicking in a little. Come on, bulls. Bitcoin's still failing. Those puts are up 13%. Come on, bulls. Come on. Come on, bulls. You could do this. Turn it around. Big order there. Riz needs to go right here. Yeah. Yeah, it sure feels like that ace. Come on. That's a nice push. I put my stop in the money, so oh my goodness, that's a heck of a push there, team. Come on, get it up there. Go. Come on, go, baby, go. Come on, bulls. Ah, stopped out. Lost $1 on that trade with the stop out. I'm probably going to regret it. Probably going to regret it like I've regretted the rest of my trades today. Oh my God. So I got stopped out, break even. So all I took was a hit on the fee for the trade. Oh, what a shame. Oh, that's perfect. Man, that's beautiful. Beautiful. That's amazing right there. Look at that. Wow. Oh, Bitcoin's trying to pivot. Okay. Wow. EME is starting to roll over. Should get that nice move up here going into New York lunch. We're 2 minutes into the London close. It's been like 15 minutes. I think I'll wait on that before I try it again. And if that's the case, the market will start to rip if the dollar keeps selling. I mean, we've been mentioning that all morning. Anon, yeah, I've been flipping back and forth on the chart, bro. I use the Dixie, which I'm not looking at your chart. You're using the US dollar. Yeah, there goes the market ripping. Wow. Those contracts are now at 83 cents, 85 cents, 87. Nice. Yeah, I think you can bounce. I think you can take the long now. Oh man. It was like 3 trades that I just I made less than $17 on. What a joke. Oh wow, those contracts just shot up to 84 cents. Almost hit 90 cents a second ago. Oh man, this is rough. Man, today is looking like a woulda, coulda, shoulda day for me. Although we are in a bear flag, so I'll be very careful on the upside. Nah, man, we ain't got no Forex accounts. I don't think we can trade US USD CHF on here though. Wow. How are my morning puts doing? Let's see. The 612s are sitting at $250 a contract right now. Dang. Well, one of these days. Are you, General? Dang. $612s are $266 a contract right now. Oh. Whew. I feel better. See Bitcoin looked like it was starting to bounce. I got out of those puts, like break even. Yeah, if any of you guys have a ticker or a chart you want to take a look at, please just drop that in the chat, you know. Do not have a problem looking at something else for you all. I'm kind of flat right now. I've already taken myself out of trades. I don't know how many times today, so. Yes, just gave me 30 minutes of relief. Yeah, no kidding, right? Yeah, I'm all right. You gotta persevere, man. Push through it, man. Greatness doesn't come from sitting on the sidelines and, you know. Maybe. You know, I'm actually not down. I'm up $16 for the day. I just got I got a metric ton of pressure on me, man. You can even imagine. I have everything is all counting on my trading right now, so I need to, yeah. I just need to make real money, not chump change, you know? Does gold look like a head and shoulder on the 15? Let's take a gander at it. Let's see. You know, it does. Like this with this, right? That's kind of what you're thinking. No, I'm taking my time. I'm not just taking random trades. I'm just managing my trades, you know, so preventing myself from taking a loss. Yeah, I wish I would have held on to that short, man. That short would have paid me. I took the short, though. I did go short. It's just not my ideal trade setup to take the short. To go live 3 times for more than Yeah, we broke through all my short levels. The bull flag forming on the ass though. Or bear flag, sorry. Let me take a look at the call chain on the indices. Holy moly. Options chain is like completely tilted to the downside. It is disgusting. Let's put it like this. Like QQQ right now, if you're looking at a 610 put, which is right at the money because QQQ is at 610.71, there's 137,000 in volume for that contract. Now, in relation to that, if you look at a 611 call, there's about 32,000 volume on it, and it's like that. Like at QQQ, the strike at the money and to end the money, they're the three of them are all over 100,000 in volume. And then if I compare it to like QQQ calls, the at the money call is 33,000, and then everything above it is what, like 50, 49, 66. You got a bunch of people sitting in 615 calls that are at 54 cents right now. And there goes Bitcoin continuing to sell. Yeah, I got that, but I need cash money to pay bills, man. So I already made my trades in futures. Ten minutes away from New York lunch team. Could we get that mean reversion during the New York lunch? Doubt it. Could get a V-shaped recovery on the market. The shape is there. The 615s were like 54 cents a minute ago. They just jumped up to 58 cents. Yeah, no kidding, right? It's down 1% across the board. Yeah, maybe, bro. Market's still bleeding down to the downside. Makes two of us, bro. I'm gonna relief, but when is it gonna happen? And we're right around the time it should be. Or it's getting pretty late in the day now, you know? That makes two of us, bro. We're recovering, get that bounce. Although, I mean, we still see that bear flag right here on the market. Yeah, the unfortunate thing for me is that to go short here, we're already at the bottom. So I gotta wait for either a pullback confirmation, and then it's like, well, if we're pulling back, are we reversing and bouncing? Yeah, that's where I start running into, like, you know, I mean, that's kind of the reason why I say you should put your stop in the money, you know. I mean, it's just like today. I mean, look, I missed out of, you know, a couple of trades, but I'm not red and I'm positive for the day. So the stops are working. They've done their job. They protected me from losing money and even captured some gains on the moves. Yeah, we're 4 minutes away from it now, General. Pretty rough morning here. Bitcoin dipping. Wow, those $4 Bitcoin puts are now at 11 cents or $11. Nice. Tell me about it. Needs way more than that, broski. Needs way more than that. I'm looking at it though. Oh. Lunchtime, my friend. You are correct. Don't forget, team, this is New York lunch time when the market makers take a break from the market, take their lunch. Can see some volume decrease in the market. Mainly retail will be involved. Don't forget, we'll have Steve on this afternoon doing his market analysis. That's coming up after New York lunch. Where is that? I could have sworn I had Steve's. I thought that was here. Do I not have it? Coach Matt. Steve's class. There it is. Wow. Don't forget, you can catch Coach Steve here after New York lunch, and he'll be going over his analysis from the morning. I'm sure he's going to talk about the great trades that he helped his community with as well. So I'm sure he'll call out some great trades through the intraday. You know, yesterday I know that he did call he called a couple of scalp trades. So don't forget, you can catch that here today Also at market close, we've got our great mentoring ship class hosted by none other than our infamous Coach Matt. So don't forget to catch that here in the Discord after the market close. That lecture will be an hour long and recorded on YouTube. So don't fear, friends. You can catch that on the interwebs. What my 612s at? Man, they're 280. Still holding. Things are probably going to go to $1,000. That's right, Nacho. We're going for those gaps today. Swing on over to gold and see what gold is doing. It still looks like it's going to sell. Looks like that head and shoulders is playing out. Bro, yeah, it's catching a bid. Thank you doing. Not much of the same. Would you get into general? Did you get into 680s? Are you in that on ES or XSP? We're sitting at about 53 to 55 cents a con. Oof. Oof. That's... $615s are sitting at 59 cents again. Still a little under what I paid for them earlier. Could this be the mean reversion that we start to rep? Damn, that's so far out the money though. 685. You're almost at the open. Could you get the open? Imagine you get that V-shaped recovery and go back on the money. Oof. Ethereum just broke 3,300. Looks like Bitcoin is still selling. Dang, I should have held on to those puts too. Man! And they're still sending at 10 cents. Gosh. Let's see this reject. Don't need the open. Yeah, I see that already. We're over them now. Man, I should have gotten back in those 615s. Oh man, nasty. Well, that's a nasty rejection. Jeez. Wow, that's a nasty rejection. Dang, there she blows. Well, it looks like New York Lunch has no interest here. Like 15-minute on NQ looks gross. It looks like it wants to put the next leg down. $0.15 each. put the blue guy there. Let's push this up. Although the 15-minute looks gross. Well, if it makes you feel better, I took a long. So I picked up those 615s again. I scooped them up for 40 cents. I went the smaller position though this time. Good luck, brother. Judge says it's moon time. Let's have some faith, General. Let's see. Market is kind of catching a bid here. Nah, Jen, we gotta be positive, bro. We gotta be positive. Looking kind of good here now. It's a nasty looking 9-minute candle. Come on, don't stop me out. I put my stop on the money. But looks like I'll probably get stopped out again. It's been the MO for the day for my trades. Can they flip 222? I hope so. I hope we get a little bit of a relief here. The general's underwater, and I'd like to make a little bit more than $16 on my trades for the day. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls. Pull that 9. Don't fall under. Come on. I'm going to get stopped out. Come on. Do it. Come on. Come on, Bulls. Let's go. Zen is short himself. Hey, Zen. How's it going? He was short earlier. That's cool. Good to see you, Zen, if you're still hanging in chat. Okay. Let's go, Bulls. Come on. Get over that 4. Let's go. Come on. Take it. Come on, Bulls. You got time. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls. Do it. EMAs are there bunched up. Let's get over 797 on ES. Carry this market. Let's go. I think General RQ was going to set up an alt account so he could start posting for the president. Oh, there we go. There we go. Market rolling up. Yes, making a nice move to the upside. Okay. Okay, let's go. RQ, do not scare this thing, bro. Do not scare this thing. You are gonna mess up my calls, dude. I'm up like almost 6%, man. Come on, dude. Let's throw some positive love on this. Left the channel. That was beautiful. I love that. Come on, bulls. Come on, hold that 4-hour support. Ah. What do you want, General? You want me to get out and push this thing? Come on, go. Come on, bulls. Take this market. Chips were moving up. Gadoosh. Right back. I think we're good. I think we're going to get it. There you go. Come on, give us that push up in Q. Let's go. On the 15, we're butting our heads up at the 9 EMA. On the 10, obviously, we're above it. We got 2 minutes left on this 10-minute candle. Still holding my long. Not bad. I'm up 8% on this call. I wish I would have picked up more, but yeah, no, I just didn't. I don't want to tie up all my capital in one more trade just yet. You know, just in case I got stopped out, I don't want to. And I'm not gonna depot any more money. You know, I've already depoted maybe 2 or 3 times this week. I can't remember. Mm. You're gonna put 40. Man. $6.15s are working out pretty well now. Up almost 10% now on these calls. Here in like Tesla, NVIDIA are starting to catch bids, helping the market regain some of its loss from the morning session. Let's see if NQ can get to that orb low. Come on, NQ, let's go. Let's get those legs. Let's show these bears who's the boss. Well, General needs to break even and make some money, and well, I need to make some more money. You know, I gotta say, I haven't made a lot of money today, but I gotta say, managing my positions today is probably one of the best days I've managed my positions and not let a trade go red. You know, reflecting on it and being like, all right, you know, even if I'm getting stopped out, not having a loss on the day and being, you know, green across all the trades I've taken. Oh, I know you will, brother. 4 minutes past the bottom of the hour. Can we get that pop up to the top side? Got no bottom wick on this candle. On NQ on the 10, which is no bueno. They could pull it back. There's the pullback. Let's see if they stop me out. Yep, they're gonna stop me out again. Fantastic. Come on, man. I don't want to make $9 on this contract. Sheesh. Come on, bulls. Come on, man. Don't stop me out. Oh, they're right at my stop. Oh, come on. Oh, there I am. Stopped out again. Slow grind data is killing me. Yeah, they just stopped me on those cons. I mean, on a good note, now I'm up $21 for the day. Ugh. Just nickel and diming me to death. Nickel and diming me to death. I mean, on a good note, like I said, I haven't lost money. All my trades have been green. Oh, look, and now it's gonna rip. And now it's gonna rip to the upside. Of course it is. Of course it is. Of course it's gonna rip. Are you sure gold or NASDAQ, Mr. Wonderful? Settle down. It's not ripping. I mean, for you, it's not because your contracts are so way far out the money. It really depends on where your entry is and what you paid for your contracts. So it relates to that. Oh man. It's like I said on gold and silver. Gold and silver don't move unless they have 0 DTEs. You have to look and pay attention to the options chain. If those tickers do not have 0 DTEs in the New York session, you are not going to see a rep. There's no interest. There's no interest in it at all. Oh, I even have drafts in here. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's see if I can get in this account now. It's been a few hours. I wonder if Zen is still short. Hey Zen, are you still there on Kick? It's actually what we need. We need to get ourselves a Kick account. Come on. Wow. So funny. Still can't get into that. I wonder if I can get into it this way. Let's see. On a good note, we did make a higher low here on the 10 on NQ. Although it's not a good look for the end of, coming out of the end of New York lunch. With 15 minutes left, I mean, it does not look like a bullish trend or even a turnaround for that. Okay, so now Dang, that's a nasty sell down. I can't believe I've been scalping longs off of this instead of trying to find a short. My God, those 612s that I had this morning, they're sitting at 305. Man, those 612s are now $3.26. Oh my God. I would have made well over $1,000 right there on that trade. Oh, it would have been nice. Sheesh. That would have been $1,000 cash. Yeah, pretty nasty here. Gosh, those 612s are just ripping. Tesla's still selling. Nasty sell off. Sell off over $22 here in the morning session. Take a look at NVDA, see what it's doing. It's probably, everything is just bleeding right now. See those BitO puts are now at 14 cents from 6 cents I had mentioned earlier. So if anybody was short Bitcoin, congrats. We're at the quarterly open on Bitcoin now, though. Gold looks like it wants to possibly do something. But again, I'm not looking at gold or silver since there is no zero DTEs. Won't be enough interest in that to move it. The NASDAQ is moving significantly today. So, you know, I would imagine the buyers and the investors would be more looking at the SPY, QQQ, ES, NASDAQ more because there's a better trend and volatility there in the market. Unfortunately, I will say this though, gold on the 15 looks like a bear flag. Could be a falling wedge as well. Hammock is saying that inflation is higher and moving higher, or higher than expected, and it's continuing to increase. Whew. Drop in that announcement for you folks. If you guys are watching on the interwebs, don't forget we've got Coach Steve coming up here in a few minutes going over risk management. He'll be going over his morning analysis and giving us his read for the afternoon session of what he expects. You can catch that in his Discord channel. If you guys are viewing on the interwebs, then now's the time to jump in our Discord and get your learn on, because those are free offerings from Blue Sky. You just have to be a Blue Sky account holder for those. I don't have a graphic for today, I'm sorry, but the class should still be live because that is his channel. You know what? I'll redo it. Yeah, I'll redo that. I'll get rid of that. Because, yeah, you might be right. They might end up in the wrong channel. There it is. Sorry about that. Let me delete that link and I will repaste that. So y'all can jump in Steve's class and get your learn on. About ready to close my cash account up for the day. I mean, I can't really complain. I'm up 6% for the day, so it's another green day in the books. Yeah, 615s are like 29 cents now. But like Tip said, he was expecting way more downside. And don't forget, when that class starts, I will be closing this Discord channel, but we will be restarting about 45 minutes after the top of the hour, or after the new hour. So you can catch me back in this channel in about 50 minutes now, 45 minutes from the top of the hour. You'll be able to catch my live stream starting back over. I will keep the live streams on socials up and running though. So X, Kick, and everywhere else, we will still be live. Man, those 612s are $330 now from $60. First Central Bank is buying Bitcoin. When you go low, I go lower. Well, let's say the blue guy did his best to hold the market up. Can he hold it one more time for us as we inch into the end of New York lunch? Will we catch that bid, or will we continue to bleed off into Monday's low? I say stay tuned, folks, because day's not over and I am not done as well. Again, Coach Steve's class will be starting here in just a second. So I will be ending this stream and you all can make your way over to Steve's trading class. Yeah, it does keep going down. Let me verify and make sure. Oh, never mind, fam. Sounds like I was incorrect on that. We are not doing a Tuesday and Thursday. So I apologize for that. I was incorrect. Sorry, team. And there you go. There's the end of New York lunch. Hope you guys had a taco or something, because we got a lot of trading day left. 6.5. They're at 24 cents now. Huh. Rigged down, no. Sounds like. I used to like the I used to like it. I used to enjoy watching The Walking Dead. Me and my wife used to binge watch that all the time. I hate to try to catch this one more time. It just doesn't look like it wants to go. Not yes. You know what? Let me get Steven's class out of here because we're not having that. All we've got is Coach Matt's class this afternoon. So, still nonetheless, a fantastic class with one of my favorite coaches here at Blue Sky. So, hope you all are ready for Coach Matt's class. Uh-oh, Negan's mad. Mr. Positive, close the market. I definitely like Negan. He was a great antagonist. You know, him and Rick, I mean, geez. Talk about being ruthless, right? Why did you do projects? Oh. Hmm. It's okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. I don't know if it can. It doesn't seem like it. Like I said, I don't expect gold to do anything because there's no zero GTEs. You know what I'm saying? All right, so I need to log out of this account. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Let's see if I can get in this way. Hey, Tip, if you're still in chat, let's see. Tip. Oh yeah, Tip, you're here. Hey, you should have received the message on X about winning the contest. You'll need to respond to that, please, if you could, just to verify who you are. The team was asking. Oh, you did? Okay, all right. Ooh, am I gonna get this up and running? Streaming not allowed. Huh. Okay, gotcha. So I'm gonna have to use the studio. Oh, there we go. Right. Well, I can do this. Let's see. That wasn't it. That was it. Okay, let's... Come on, do a screenshot. Hurry up. Come on, give me a screenshot. Why is this thing taking so long? Come on, I got trades to get to. Come on. There you go. Okay, we got that. Oh, he's got a chat. What's up, Zonic? What are you up to? You should go all in, low key, like on a meme coin. We're trading futures, so unfortunately I can't go all in on a meme coin because our platforms don't allow us to trade meme coins. Now, if you want to call Bitcoin or Ethereum a meme coin, then yeah, we could definitely take a full size lot on it. And let's go back here. Let's go to tip. It's too late, bro. It is too late. I think you already are gonna get that. Let's see, how do I go to my analytics? Here, go to analytics. Yes, I sure can. There we go. Great. Fantastic. How much am I up right now? Man, I mean a lousy 30 bucks. I got stopped out on most of my positions today, so I'm just up at like a lousy 30 bucks, man. I could have been up a few thousand if I had held my positions better, and you know. It's all right though. Just kind of the way it goes. No, I was trading options. I've been mainly trading options. My I picked up a new eval, so I locked up on that one because I hit 14,990. What was it? 14 something. I already closed it, so I don't even have it here. Hold on, let me see. Oh yeah, I sent it to general to show them where I was at. So I made 1,497.20. So I'm like halfway on it. I just can't make more than that because of consistency. So I'm like halfway through it. Now, how do I get to that? Maybe I go to video. Maybe I go here. It's in the studio they find this stuff. Ah, there we go. That's exactly where I needed to go. Come on, give me a screenshot. Need one more. Come on. Anytime now. Come on. Anytime now. There we go. I can't pick, only can pick one at a time. Provide up to 3 screenshots. All right, let me get one and get one more. All right. All right. Under review now, so we will see when we go live on TikTok. Hopefully that'll get approved soon. All right, perfect. Send that over to Rich. Let him know I'm on it. I wonder if I can add. Let's see if it'll let me do it this way. Oh, yes, I sure can. This is awesome. Added. Sweet. Okay, viewers, you guys on YouTube, I'm gonna restart your stream for just a second so that I can bring it into a different stream manager. So if you guys are watching, you may want to restart your stream while I do this. I apologize for that, but this is to bring a better experience to you guys. I'm trying to combine all the chats together because I have a bunch of tabs open, and I want to make sure I'm answering everyone's question. Zonic, what do you think is more profitable, futures or like waking up at 5 a.m. when the market is open trading? Well, futures you can trade 23 hours a day, 6 days a week. So the only real day you can't trade is Saturday. Now, I mean, they both kind of go hand in hand, you know. I think you can. I know you can. You can make money trading. You just have to manage your risk, you know. I mean, it's just like me. I could have made a lot of money, but then I also could have lost a lot of money today. And I've been working on managing my trades, and you know, the profit will come. The profit always comes. You just have to manage your positions, you know. The last thing you want to do is just be dumping money into the account over and over. So, and Dolce, yes. Yeah, you know what? Let me do that real quick. I'm going to restart the YouTube stream and bring it up on the new channel. So let's make sure it's working right. I'll be right back with you guys. If you're watching on Kick, X, or Discord, or Roku, you should be able to still catch it. Be right back.